Hi guys, welcome back to She Is Marbles. Today we're going to review CBD sticks from Holistik Wellness. This brand has different types of CBD sticks to help aid you, whether you need help sleeping, you need help to adjust your muscles to working out, a beauty collagen one, stress reliever, digestion is endless. Fun fact straight off the bat for the Holistik Wellness CBD sticks, try to look like in general on the interweb for mixed powder CBD sticks, and if I've seen anything like this. There's a couple in the market, not so much as I thought it would be. There's a lot of honey sticks that I did see. I would have reviewed one for each one, but I'm picking one that's pertaining to me. This is all about finding your stick, correct? So I know it's a little TMI, but Mother Nature done smack me in the face and I get really severe cramps and take a bunch of ibuprofen, which is not really good for the gut. So this actually promotes healthy gut, also daily dietary support. You could put this in your water, you could put it in your favorite lemonade, you could put it in your favorite iced tea drink. All CBD sticks from Holistik is made from the USA. THC free, is from hemp extract. So the ingredients in this one, it has 10 milligrams of CBD. It also has papaya fruit powder, turmeric. Other good benefits about this CBD stick, it is recyclable, it's non-GMO, it's also BPA free. The Holistik Wellness Sampler, it comes with a nice pamphlet to basically educate you and what each CBD stick is for and what the company is about. Love my tea with milk, and personally almond milk is one of my faves, and I'm gonna try to do my layered milk with you guys today with the CBD stick. Plus cinnamon small. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the Holistik Wellness site if you want to get the CBD stick. Link is below. Good news, I did not take any Tylenol throughout the day. My cramps actually went away. Not instantly, but it went away, like I want to say within like 30 minutes or so. So that's a freaking bonus. So if I have to ever rate this, like literally 0 stars out of 5, I will give it a 5. I will give it a 5 extra plus if it worked instantly. But you know, it's not a perfect world. Anywho, I was really impressed on how this worked. I did not feel super like loopy throughout the day. Maybe some people was like a little afraid of that. I promise you, I did not feel any like super weird side effects. I did not crash. I have my regular work shift. I'm here, as you could tell. I'm good. I'll toast to that. Until next time. Bye, Chica.